These unboxings just get better and better. Do you see this giant pull tab? Let's dig in. You guys, this is holy grail item and I have it. Ah! I'm shaking. Guys, it's Hermes. Not the orange bag. Calm down. Hello? Is this real? Guys, the orange shopping bag from Hermes. Look at this. I'm dreaming. Where do I begin? What do I do? I don't want to damage anything. It's making noises. This is wild. I got a present. It's like a ribbon style. I am in awe. What in the actual? Let's just open it. Are you ready? Okay. No ways. Is this a sticker? Keeping that. I've seen this happen in videos so much. Now I'm actually doing it. You guys, I have no words. That's it. I'm speechless. Shock took over. I'm broken. I don't know what to say. I'm just... What? That's it. Box. Let's just bring it out. What? You guys, the details. The stitching. The perfection. I'm just in awe. I got a Birkin 30 Bleu Jean Palladium Hardware. This is too precious. What do I do? I don't know what to say. I'm usually full of words. You guys missing it. Sorry. I'm just so excited. That's how they do it, right? Give me my bag. What? A Birkin. Even the stamp is silver. I am sweating. I still have no words. I'm lost. What is in here? This is the worst best unboxing, but the worst because I have nothing to say. I'm just in awe. I'm in shock. The lock and key crochet. Calm down. It's stunning. It is beautiful. How do I put this on? You guys, I'm shaking. I'll figure it out. I'm just like, that is a Birkin, an Hermes Birkin 30 Bleu Jean Palladium Hardware. Guys, these are all handmade, hand sewn, hand stitched. I don't know what to say. There you have it. I have Birkin 30 Bleu Jean Palladium Hardware. She said, Mini Kelly who? I have the best SA. If you want to be blown away like I was, I got you. This is perfection, you guys. I keep losing my words. I don't know what to say. I am just in awe, in shock. It's beautiful. That was the best unboxing ever. Let's do a try on. Birkin 30, guys. Hermès Birkin. Eddie Bauer. Neff. Bart Simpson shirt. Don't forget the Crocs. X-Lego collab. So beautiful. Thank you so much to my SA. Best one yet. I can just stare at it all day long. The videos I can make with this. I know you all have Birkins. Let's see them. I'm part of the Birkin 30 fam. I only have the Mini Kelly. All right, bye.